Okay, where should I begin? Alright, here you go.
Bullseye.
Hi mga kapatid! So today, we're going to unbox my order. My order just came through from LAZADA. You know, pasensya na sa background, it's medyo like messy. But don't mind that because I just got my order. So we're going to open this from the plastic itself. Alright. Look at that picture, it's so awesome. And the bubble wrap is so awesome as well. Here, you hear this one. Alright. Dito pa lang, sulit na ang bayad. So we're gonna remove the bubble wrap. Alright. It's okay to open it like that. It's not that important, unlike PS4 or PS5.
I just broke it. Sorry.
So here's the actual box. I don't know what's, anong relate. So sabi dito, it's Full HD 1080. Alright. I'm gonna install this later. Should I read the specs? You just have to read this yourself. I won't read them one by one. Okay, it's awesome, right? The price of this, by the way, is like 700 plus 100 shipping fee. Never mind, I'm just gonna open this. Okay, where should I begin? Alright, here you go. Boom. Huh? It has like, I don't know what you call this. Alright. This is the main recipe. It's the rear view mirror / cam. There's the camera here. You can adjust this. So in case of accident, because I know I'm always right, so that we can prove that I'm always right when it comes to driving. I'm gonna remove this. Alright, you can see the back one, it's not good. Next, we have the connector. This is the connector. Oh, this is the for the rear, the compartment or the compartment portion, the rear view camera. I know you saw this already somewhere. Just have to install this on top of this.
Nice.
I'm just gonna make it fast because I don't have memory on my phone. So this is the the CPET where you plug this behind from the original or to the original rear view mirror. And this is the port. This is the port where you connect your car and then connect this to the other end or other port here, somewhere there. So that's all, it's empty. There's a manual, but I don't need this because I'm so genius. See, I don't need that shit. It's empty, it's done. Just like 30 minutes and 55 seconds and I'm gonna end this shit. Because it's so basic. Let's make it 4.